Hey everyone, today's recipe is really simple, only takes a few ingredients and tastes so good. It's definitely a healthy snack. It's less than 50 calories per serving, I guess you can say. And it's a good way to have a healthy snack or have something for breakfast. Even I've had them for lunch before, they're so good. You can season them however you want to season them. They're eggs, so you can season them any way you want. I'm making some egg cups today. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, first you're going to want to get a muffin tin. This one has 12 slots on it. You're going to get up some spinach that you're going to dice up nice and small. And you're going to sprinkle a little bit, as much as you want. There's no particular amount in here. A little bit in every cup. I'm going to do a little bit at a time, and then if I have more left over, I'll add it. Made sure I cut up plenty here. Looks like I have enough to fill these up nice. Alright. Get some more on this one. Then you're going to want to get Roma tomatoes. This one I cut up 2 of them. Dice them up as nice small pieces. And sprinkle little bits of that in there. In each slot. You do that until you get as much as you want. You can put a little bit, you can put none in there if you don't want to have tomatoes in there. You can add other things. But if you do it this way, you'll have nice egg cups that are only about 50 calories. I cut up plenty of tomatoes, so I'm going to put some extra in each slot now that I have some left over. Don't mind my camera work here. Couldn't get a good angle on the pen with my normal setup, so I had to maneuver some things. Alright, once you have all those filled up, you're going to get egg whites. Now, this took about a dozen egg whites to get, and see how far I can make it with this. You're going to fill the cup up as high as you want. I usually fill it close to the edge of the thing. It's not going to overflow or anything when you cook it, so you don't have to worry about it like popping up like a muffin or something. So I'm going to try a little experiment here. I also got some full eggs, like yolks and everything, mixed them up with some milk to make some nice creamy ones. So a dozen egg whites filled up 8 tins. I got some egg I beat with some milk to fill these last 4 up. Hopefully I have enough of this now too. Looks like just enough. Alright, so that was a dozen egg whites to fill up these 8 tins, or 8 spots. And then I did 3 eggs beat with some milk to fill up those last 4. Then you want to put them in the oven, preheated at 375 degrees until the egg is nice and set, so roughly around 15 minutes. Alright, let's go ahead and take these out. I waited a little bit longer because it looked like it wasn't set when I first looked at them. Oh, wow, get hit with that smoke, huh? Oh. Oops. But there they are. Nice, yummy egg cups. That one bubbled up pretty good, huh? They look really good. They taste really good. I've had them before. I've made them before. They're really good and really good for you. Let's go ahead and pull some out here. I sprayed the pan down with some cooking spray first, so we can make sure they didn't stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull some out and plate them up, and I'll come back to you guys. And there you go, nice close-up look at the egg cups. I sprinkled some salt and pepper on them to add a little extra flavor to them. I like salt and pepper on my eggs. You can pick them up once they cool off. You can pick them up just like eating a muffin and gobble them up just like that. Enjoy. And there you have it, everyone. Those are really simple egg cups. Like I said, about 46-ish calories per cup. Really healthy for you, really yummy, and just all around a good snack to have or breakfast, anything like that. Feel free to add any seasonings you want. I like to add hot sauce to my eggs, salt and pepper, all that kind of stuff. The egg yolks you save from doing all the egg whites, you can always use later to make like a hollandaise sauce, or I don't know what kind of sauce you can make with or all kind of stuff you can make with the egg yolks, but I'm sure you'll think of something. Maybe I'll have to think of something and show you guys how to do it later. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell, so that way you know when I post more videos. I try to post a video every week of some kind of food or kitchen related stuff. But I hope you like this video, and don't forget down in the description is a discount code to give you 15% off seasonings and whatnot at Marna Maria. Same people who've been sending me all these yummy little seasonings right there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you around.